YouTube just rolled out a very massive update, guys. You know what? Now you don't only have to tell someone to please subscribe to my channel, please like my channel. Now you have to tell them, please hype my channel. Like, this is a very massive update, guys. Don't worry, I'm going to be breaking it down for you guys to fully understand. So this new feature is called hype, and by the way, guys, it just became global. I don't know why I am super excited about this particular thing. Oh, I don't know, but then let me just explain. So this particular hype of a thing actually concerns those that have less than 500,000 subscribers. So if you have, as a creator, if you have less than 500,000 subscribers, then this is for you. But if you have more than 500,000 subscribers, then you will not see this feature. You don't even need this feature because you're already a big YouTuber. 500,000 subscribers, what are you looking for again? But if you have less than 500,000, you're gonna see. Don't worry, I'm gonna be explaining all of them in detail. So let me just start my screen record to just show you, because I can imagine people saying, "Hi, please guys, do what to hit on the like button, do what to subscribe, and also do what to hype this particular video." How does it sound? Do what to hype this particular video. Thank you for your hype. And guess what? Do you know that you can actually hype different amounts? Don't worry. In fact, let me just start my screen record so you guys can actually understand. So it's not look like I'm just saying it. So yeah, YouTube says a quick recap of how it works. Viewers have the opportunity to hype up to 3 videos per week. For a creator with under 500,000 subscribers, when a video is hyped, it receives points, giving it a chance to end up on a new ranked leaderboard that you can find in the Explore menu. To level the playing field, hype gives smaller creators a bigger boost. The fewer the subscribers, the bigger the bonus, giving the most authentic emerging creators a better opportunity to get noticed. So one of the things, let me just break it down, this particular thing. Don't worry, I will still show you guys everything in details, but let me just quickly give you a run through. So this one, whenever you get hyped as a creator, you are climbing the leaderboard. You know the way leaderboard is that they have level 1, level 2, level 3. So when you make valuable content, your audience are liking it. Instead of just liking it and just, just leaving that comment, this is another way to which YouTube can actually get to push you, or you have to come out. When people start to hype you, when they hype you, you are climbing that leaderboard. I'm just imagining who is actually going to be in that top 1, top 2, top 3. I really... imagination wants to finish me. Okay, so let us just quickly run through. So you can see here is an image of how you can actually what it will look like, how to find it. Okay, let me just zoom this closer so you guys can get to see. Yeah, so you can see the hype. Please guys, don't forget to hype this particular video. I'm just kidding anyways. Okay, so now let's go down. It says, how are we boosting? Sorry, my phone is going back and forth. Let me just continue. How we are boosting hype. Hype is now even more powerful and easier to use with new features dedicated to fuel fandom and help creators get recognized. For fans, like our audience, you guys watching us right now, this one is for you, so listen. A dedicated hype button is now right under the video, so you can easily show your support. A hyped badge will appear on videos across YouTube, making it easier to get noticed. You can also filter your own field with the new hyped category. We will notify you when a video you have hyped is close to the leaderboard, and the most dedicated fans can earn a new hype star badge each month to share with others. Yeah, so the more you hype, you are also going to get your own badge, as a fan that usually hype. So don't hoard that hyping, don't hoard it. So for creators, yeah, this one is especially for, I know most people watching me, you guys are creators, this one is for you. See exactly how many hypes and high points each video has received directly in YouTube Studio mobile app. So it's going to be there for you guys to see. Check your video analytics for a new hype card and a recap in your weekly data stories. What next? The hype is building, and we have more features on the way, meaning YouTube is bringing more things. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Soon there will be leaderboard for specific interests like gaming and style, and a way for you to easily share that you just hyped a video to cast an even bigger spotlight. So go out there, Find the next big star and hype them up. Hype me. You're making a real difference and helping shape the future of YouTube. Okay, I forgot to say this. Let me just say this this particular one. So this particular hype is available in 39 countries, including the US, UK, Japan, Korea, Indonesia, and India. But you know what? Hype is not yet in Nigeria. Hype is not yet in Nigeria. Meaning you guys can't hype me yet. Well, in any case, whether it's not in Nigeria or not, it is in 39 countries. You guys can go ahead to read it all up. It's online, it's official, like it is global, like YouTube said. Hype goes global. That's the title they actually used when they were actually putting this out. So this just came and like hype goes global. So guys, if you are actually excited about this new update, like if you're among the countries like living in the US, Indian, Japan, Indonesia, Korea, where hype is actually effective, are you guys excited about this particular update? And if you're in Nigeria and you're so disappointed that, oh my god, it's not in Nigeria, yes, let me also do it. Wow, so now you guys will get to see more of. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, and hype this particular video. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.